Teespring.com stores survived the jive. Come and get your t-shirts with runes and shit. And green shit on it. Yeah. With wheels on it and shit. And holes on the green. With the Anglo-Saxon pagans. Yeah. And all the bird boy shit that goes with it. Yeah. Is that right, Mr. Survive the Jive? It's all quite innocent, innit, this pagan thing. This inbreeding and wanting to have your own country because you're so inbred. Down in the old Cornwall CW, yeah? Or the WC even for the West Country, innit? Either way you look at it. Yeah. Ports equals pirates. Yeah. Where they first arrived on those ships. And inbred with the population and traded and took control of the trade through the seafaring and all the malarkey that went on with that. Same story everywhere they went. Yeah. But you don't seem to want to talk about all this, do you? And the pillaging, the raping, and the conquest, and the colonialism, colonizing everywhere they went. Hey, colonizing everything, forming colonies. Yeah, doing stuff with their own kids, incestually inbreeding and other such things. May queens, etc. And wicker men. And goddesses, fertility goddesses, and ancient rites, and bloodlines, Mr. Survive the Jive. Canaanite, Phoenician bloodlines, aren't there? You're not going back far enough, mate. You need to go back further, don't you, and look into that. And now they say, oh, where have the sea people gone? Where did they disappear to on all these YouTube videos? They didn't fucking disappear, did they? They just bred and then inbred back out and hid themselves within all the populations, didn't they? And they controlled the trade. The money is the control, isn't it? And that's all that matters. You've got that, you've got the control. Yeah. And that's how it went down. You see? You were full of it, weren't you, when I first attacked you and started calling you out? You come on my channel and started chatting, didn't you? Oh, he's just some dumbass northerner. He doesn't know. Now you've realised, haven't you? Realised now how much we know around here, haven't you? You got to call in your fucking suicide squad. They might as well have been a suicide squad. The amount of fucking good they've done. In a bit, Joker. We'll be getting on to you soon, lad. Yeah? We'll be getting on to you. Don't worry about that. In a bit.
You say hello?
Hello?
Asshole.